How to pin a message on Messenger app. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can pin a message on Messenger app. Now it's quite simple and easy, so let me get you through. First, what you want to do is open up the Messenger app. You'll get an interface like this. Here you'll be able to see all your chats. Now what you want to do next is open up a chat that you want to pin a message on. Now I'll just open up this random chat here. What you want to do is as you open up your chat, tap on it and hold on the message that you want to pin. Simply tap and hold and you'll get varieties of options at the bottom of the screen. You can see reply option, copy option, forward option and more option. Which I tap on it, I'll get an option to bump or remove or report. However, as you can see, I don't have a pin option. Now if you have a pin option, you'll get an option to pin instead of this forward option that you can see on the screen. At the bottom of the screen you can see the forward option. If you have the pin option available, you'll find it right there instead of this forward option. However, if you have updated your app already, because this used to be a feature before to pin a message, however after the update the option is no longer available. Now the alternate solution to it, what you can do is tap on the more option there and then tap on bump, and as you do this you can see the message will get bumped and it will appear at the top of the chat. As you do this, the receiver of the other end will be able to get the notification that you bumped a chat. So yeah, this way you can pin a message on Messenger. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.